Welcome back, friends. In a previous, we have declared the Bitfields and Union uses. In this episode, we are again represent my topic Bitfields using in C. So let's we start. Suppose your program contains a number of true and false variables grouped in a structure called status. We are erasing this struct unsigned is begin from U, unsigned int width validated, another is height validated, and the structure variable is status. Now this structure contains 8 bytes of memory space, but in actual we are going to store either 0 and 1 in each of the variable. The C programming language offers a better way to utilize the memory space in such situation. If you are using such variable inside a structure, then you can define the width of variable, which tells the compiler that you are going to use only those number of bytes. For example, :1 and :1. Now the other structure requires 4 bytes of memory space for status variable, but 2 bytes will be used to store the value. If you will use up 32 variables, each one with the width of 1 byte, then also the status structure will use 4 bytes. However, as soon as you have 33 variables, it will allocate the next slot of the memory and it will start using 8 bytes. Let's check this concept with the example. So declare an structure and the variable name is status1, and give another structure is, but the variable name is status2. Now in main function we are printing the size occupied by this memory, occupied by status 1 colon %d /n comma size of operator is known as the operator that has been calculated that is used for calculating the size of any data type and variable and structure, and also it is used for union. So we are giving structure name as an argument in this status one semicolon. Now copy this line and print in this, but in second line we are removing from 1 and 2. Now we can build this. You can see in the both struct the size is same, but if we are removing the bit field, then the size is affected. Now size is 8 and size is 4. So the result is in front of you. Now we are discussing about how to declare the bit field. So the example is removing bit field is declared by struct keyword, and there is no name for bit field. Give the body and type is name of data type, member name, member underscore name, member name and width semicolon here. The type we are discussing about this type. The type an integer type that determine how a bit field's value is interpreted. The type may be int, signed int or unsigned int, but it should be int. Member name, this member name is the name of that bit field, and the third one, width, the number of bits in the bit field. The width must be less than or equal to the bit width of the specified type. The variable defined with a predefined width are called bit fields. A bit field can be hold more than a single bit. For example, if you need a variable to store the value from 0 to 7, then you can define a bit field with the width of 3 bits as follows. That if you are defining this unsigned int age colon 3, and this is the age. In this structure definition instructs the C compiler that the age variable is going to use only 3 bits to store the value. If you try to use more than 3 bits, then it will not allow you to do so. So let's try another example for this structure. Now we declare a definition. Age dot name is not the same as, we are declaring capital A. Capital age dot age is 4. Now printf size of age colon %d /n comma size of capital AGE. Control C, Control V. Now we are not calculating the size, we are calculating the value age dot age. Now value is coming from age dot age. Now both the 3 lines will be again, we want to print with the new value. The value is now 7. Another printing, the value is now 8. Now build and run. Previous example is, we can erase the previous example and structure also. Run. Now you can see size of age is 4, age dot age is 4. Size of age is 4, age is 7, age is 4, age of age is 0. Now the code is compiled and it will be compiled with the warning, and the result is in front of you, and the concept is very clear. So do you like my episodes? So please subscribe, like and comment my videos. Then see you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, goodbye and keep learning.